Hello, Tech Savvy. Ready to tackle a tech challenge together? How to get rid of promotional emails. Are you tired of waking up to a cluttered inbox filled with promotional emails? It's frustrating, right? The constant flood of offers, discounts, and newsletters can bury the important messages you really care about. In this video, we'll walk you through exactly how to get rid of those annoying promotional emails. Let's get started. Open your email inbox. Locate a promotional email in your inbox. Scroll to the bottom of the email. Find and click the Unsubscribe link. Confirm the unsubscription on the website or email window. Go back to your inbox. Select the checkbox of email again. Click on the three vertical dots of the menu. Choose the Filter Messages like these option. Click on the Create Filter at the bottom. Select the checkbox to delete it and click on the Create Filter button. Now, to delete all promotional emails in one go, in your inbox, navigate to the left-hand menu. Click on the Categories tab to open the drop-down menu. Select the Promotions category. At the top of the email list, tap the checkbox to select all visible promotional emails. Hit the Delete icon located below the search bar. Wait for Gmail to process and move all the selected emails to the trash folder. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tips on Windows. Thanks for watching.